Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's Friday and I'm actually in Southampton, right next door to IKEA. I'm meeting my mum today. I do it about once a week, more or less. We come to Southampton, we meet because it's sort of in the middle for us. I think I've said that before. And we're going to have a look around IKEA and a little look around Southampton. And yeah, so I just thought I'd film what's in IKEA at the moment because I know loads of people love IKEA. And tonight we're going to have like a little fire in the garden and, you know, just chill out, have a drink and stuff. And so, yeah, just a bit of a relaxing day, but I thought I'd film it anyway. And Southampton is actually where all the cruise ships come from, like leave to go to different places. I don't know if you know it, but there's a massive one in at the moment, so I will show you when I get, because IKEA's got a big sort of, in the restaurant they've got a big thing where you can sort of look out, so if I can get to film it, but it's hard to sit there because everyone just runs for those tables, but if I can I'll show you the big cruise ship. It looks lovely. Oh god, what I wouldn't give to be going on a cruise now. I didn't actually go on one, I think when I was about 23. Oh my god, it was amazing, and I don't know why I've never been on one since, but they are expensive, but so nice. I just thought I'd show you quickly. Yesterday I went into Portsmouth with Vicky and I went into Quiz because she needed an outfit for a wedding she's got, and I seen this top and I couldn't resist it. Look, how nice is that? It's so lovely. It like ties up at the back there, so nice. They do it in orange as well, so if I'm feeling brave today I might get the orange one. I don't know if they've got a Quiz here actually, I've never known, but it's a city, they should do. But yes, I'm so impressed with this top. It's so nice for this weather. So if you have a Quiz, definitely get in there. They've got some lovely stuff at the minute. They've got like little outfits, and every single outfit has got like a blazer to match. Oh my god, I could have gone literally berserk in there if I had the money. So anyway, yeah, that was a little side rant about Quiz, but get yourself in if you can because it is so nice at the moment. And yeah, so I will catch up with you when we're in IKEA.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. 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 Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Good morning, everyone. I know it's a bit weird because I never ended yesterday's vlog. I know we was going to do a fire and things in the garden, But to be honest, I had a bit of a headache when I got home and I was just tired. So today I'm with the family and we're actually in Winchester because we're going to get Sparky, our new cat, later. So we've come here for the day. We're just sitting down now about to grab some lunch, and I've just noticed, I've never noticed it before, but the market here is amazing. And it's such like an old historic town. It's lovely. So when we've had lunch, I'll go and show you the market, the shops that are here and stuff, and then we're going to go and get our cat. So once again, I apologise for not ending the vlog yesterday, but it can be like a weekend vlog now, right? So yeah, once we've had our lunch, I'm going to go to the market and I'll show you what it looks like. Look, this is a little square. We've just had lunch there. This is a little square that they've got, and if you come up here, look, it's like being abroad. Look, all the little places to eat and things, and when you go down here it leads you out to the high street. How lovely.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you, be with you.
Okay everyone, I am so sorry it took so long to end this video. Like it was the weekend I started this video, and it's now, what day is it? Wednesday. So you'd have seen our little cat. Look, he's here. There he is. Say hello, Spark. And progress, here's the dog. So he's a bit better. He's getting used to the dog now. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I'm so sorry it's all over the place, but I've been all over the place and I don't know why. I've not been busy or anything like that, so I don't know why it's taken me so long to sort of upload the video, but so I do apologise for that, and I really hope that it hasn't put you off and you come back for my next one. And also, it's been so nice chatting to you guys on my comments. I really love doing it, so please keep all the comments up. I love knowing about you and things. It really does make me smile. So yeah, keep the comments coming, and I'll see you in my next video, everyone. Bye.